I can do that in my sleep. Y equals what? Yep.
Not considering absolute value of 2x plus 3.
Gross. Okay, yeah, alright, so how do I do it? Okay, really not that hard. What I'll do is I'll think about both of these, okay, and then it goes back to, do you remember, like, first couple of weeks we did addition and subtraction of functions, okay? So do you think, could you handle both of those individually? Okay, well let's do it then. Okay, x plus 1. X plus 1. X plus 1 usually looks like that, just above the origin, right? So we just add a bounce, okay? So use your imagination. Okay, happy with that? Now, before I go on, I'm going to write down the equations of the branches, okay? So this is going to be the regular part. This will be the not regular part. Okay, what's the other part look like? 2x plus 3.
It'll just be like
Okay, yeah, it'll be thinner. I'm actually going to think about it. I prefer addition of functions, so I'm going to deal with minus absolute value of 2x plus 3. So I'm going to do the bottom one. Okay. Now 2x, okay, usually it's going to be steep. Then plus 3. Okay. So it's going to be like that. It's going to be coming down like that. Okay. So this is 1, right? So I guess 3 is going to be. I should have drawn this a bit smaller. 1, 2, 3. Okay, is that alright? So it's going to go down at a gradient of 2, right? So it's going to hit here at minus 1.5. Okay, and then it's going to bounce, of course. Now I was a bit silly. I drew that 3 up there. I'm doing the other side. Okay, so this comes all the way down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what do I do? This is actually quite easy. Where's my red? Okay, if I'm going to add these two together, and I probably should have put the equations here, sorry. So this is minus 2x plus 3. This is the normal part. Okay, remember addition of functions is really easy if you've got nice concrete points. Okay, example. Here at minus 1.5. That's 0, and this is something else, some other value. Okay? So whatever that other value is, I'm going to be there. Some 0 plus something is something. Okay? In the same way, 0 plus this will be down here. Whatever that is. Okay? Now, what happens in between there? Okay? Well, I've got to go from here to here. Straight line, straight line. I'm going to end up with another straight line, right? Okay, so that's what that part looks like. Now what happens over here? You've got this going up at a gradient of 1. You've got this going down at a gradient of 2. So which one takes over? This one over here, right? So it's going to go off at a gradient of negative 1. Reverse logic over here. Gradient of 2, gradient of negative 1. Right? So the gradient of 2 will take over. Right? So this is going to be increasing at a gradient of 1. Okay? Now, last bit. I need to know what all of these equations are, right? So then you just take these branches and you add them together. So over here, minus x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. So this is going to be x plus 2. Okay? What about in between here? You've got the negative 1 and the other negative 1. Okay? So it'll be minus 3x. That explains why it's so steep. And the constants will be minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Last one, x plus 1, minus 2x minus 3. So it's minus x and the constant will be minus 2. So I kind of missed, but you get the idea. Okay. So from there, that gives you an intercept. That gives you another intercept. You can work out what that one is. That's what? Minus 4 over 3. Ta-da!
You have to